friends, hi viewers, once again welcome back to Teresa Josephine Kitchen. Today as usual I brought a new recipes in the unique. It's an old maybe for everyone, but for me it's new, it's good, I feel it. I brought a mango recipe, that's a mango smoothie, we can say mango lassi also we can say it. And this is the recipe, mango. Everyone loves mango fruit. This is the season and the summer special. I want to share the tips of mango. Always will had a uh, always will be adding curd or else lassi, like a lassi pattern, like a source curd will be adding sugar, these kinds of things only will be adding. And this time I'm going to add all kinds of herbs. This is ajwain leaf, om leaf, and brazil leaf, and this is a mint leaf. I'm going to add it in this. This is a special, and I want to speak about this beneficials when we are having this. In this, if you have a sinus problems or else cold problems, this all literally allergy problems if we have with mangoes, if you'll have add along with mango these herbs, no, you won't get, and you can avoid it, the you can avoid the cold all this. And don't use the ice when you have a cold. And mango is very good, and it's very harm also for the diabetic. Please, if diabetic patients are there, avoid. If you have insulation cases, they should not touch the mango. It's very danger, it affects so fast health. And pregnancy time also, please avoid. Actually it's better, you can have it pregnancy time, but one or two slices we can have it. And that at the beginning don't have it, it's very danger. And fruits, it has a 18, like banana also has 18 gas it releases, and it so fast it will become fruit also. So because of that sick heat will be producing, no, so it's very healthy and very yum. Today let's see, go for our lassi, mango lassi with herbs. We'll see today. Let's start our process. So I've sliced all the mangoes, two mangoes like this. I have sliced like this mangoes. So two sliced mangoes, and one cup of sugar I've taken, that is 100 ml, that's enough. 100 ml of sugar, and herb half a cup, that is three kinds of herbs I've taken. Mint leaf, and tulasi, that's bay leaf, and I've taken the om leaf, that is ajwain leaf, and curd I've taken, thick curd yogurt I've taken. And let's start a smoothie. We'll make a lassi in this. Take a jar, mixie jar, put in this mixie jar, just take a slice and put it in a mixie jar like this. Let's grind. So after cutting in a mixie jar, add the 100 gram of sugar, add it, and all the herbs, three kinds of herbs I told. And if you want to add other herbs also, you can add it. And the curd you can add. Now let's grind. So friends, just I've done the lassi, smoothie, whatever you want to say, herbs, mango herb lassi. it's mine. Yum, do it. And you to your kids, they love so much, friends. So these kinds of recipe is very healthy for kids, and you can protect from summer. This is a healthy recipe. Try it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it. Comment in the comment box and click the bell icon also. So thanks for watching. Thanks a lot once again for encouraging me, supporting me. Goodbye. Meanwhile, we'll see you in the next recipe.